pinnacleT1 Baby Care Tweezers Portable Newborn Safety by pinnacleT1 is one of the best sellers among baby nasal tweezers products. Plastic products using no rust and other issues. The finger contact portion with a groove, ease of use. The top circular design, more at ease when cleaning the infant nasal transparent cover, easier to save. Use the nose tweezers to pick up solids in the nose or roll a sheet of wet wipe or tissue paper at the tips to clean around the nostrils. Parts can be dismantled and cleaned, convenient and sanitary. Be careful for the baby to clean the dirt gently. When the nasal organs were hardened, painted in warm water with a cotton swab or baby oil to clean up after softening. Note: 1. Used forceps can be sterilized by boiling temperature. Transparent box cannot be sterilized by boiling. 2. When cleaning the nasal cavity if rejected by the baby, do not force the operation. The best time is the baby sleeping stage. 3. Do not overextend into the infant nasal forceps, in order to avoid harm. 4. Be careful for the baby to clean the dirt gently. When the nasal organs were hardened, painted in warm water with a cotton swab or baby oil to clean up after softening. 5. Please put the forceps of the reach of children to prevent the baby a toy to save, to prevent danger. Specification: material, ABS plastic. Length, approx. 354 inches 9 centimeters. Width, approx. 0.59 inches 15 centimeters. Color, random delivery. If you buy more than one, the color you received may be the same color or different colors. Warm tips. Size may be slight inaccuracy due to hand measure. The precise color of the items showed on the pictures may vary slightly depending on the specific monitor, the settings or the lighting conditions. Much appreciate it. Package included. 3 PC by Baby Clean Tweezers.